Well, at least it cleans the streets, you know. Water.
Can I just like run out there, please?
Yeah, I don't care. All right, it's raining. It's raining. It will be in a few.
Cool, I'm gonna go stand with Kirsten.
As long as you won't get in trouble with your mom.
I won't. It never rains.
I'll stand under the tree so the camera doesn't get wet. This is rain in Vegas. And if we're lucky, it'll flood.
And then we'll be like, ah!
That's Brittany and Kirsten, and Caitlin's hiding back here.
Hey, Caitlin, turn around and smile.
Yeah.
I said, turn around!
Oh. See, Kirsten always wants to come out and hang out in the rain, but normally it's lightning and thundering right where we're at when it's raining. In this case, it's lightning and thundering a little ways away.
Huge raindrop.
Yeah.
It's like pour down rain, like, yeah. It really is. That is so funny. And the first morning rain, you like got swept away. That's so funny. I think like floated up.
I was gonna say, it must be super windy up there because you can see all the dust.
You can see what?
You can see all the dust blowing across the desert.
Yes, rain harder. Oh, it's
Oh
cold.
no, I do see it.
Yes.
It's not Ashland yet.
Rain.
It's not a whole lot.
And the news man said it would rain.
Sorry, the water dropped is done. I don't know why it's Yes, missing the rainstorm.
Now he's getting it somewhere.
Feels kind of like hail.
Now there's going to be a vehicle coming. Make sure you step out of the street when they come. And then you can go back out there as soon as they go by.
I'm the only one not wearing shoes.
You don't mind?
No, it's fine.
I wish they were getting them all around my face.
Oh, the street is fun, Caitlin.
Ew, you're drinking dirty Vegas air rain.
That's a good point. Now let's get away.
Your hands are cold.
How long do you video for? Can you video for?
For about 20 minutes.
Oh wow.
Something like that. I think I have 10 minutes, something like 10 minutes left that I can use right now because we have some other junk on here. But
Oh
and then we can take it home and we can narrate it differently than what. So I can say anything I want now. That I can take it home and we can record over the voice. So
Oh, nice.
yeah.
Oh, ow.
The funny thing is, like, all the videos you put up on your account, I haven't put up any on mine. I've been lazy. I should just tell you to put them up on mine.
I can.
It looks like I'm a Dalmatian.
I'll call you when it starts flowing.
Okay. We should get an umbrella.
Well, at least it cleans the streets, you know. Water.